This is why you need a side hustle that will pay you every month for years from each sale. Forget about master resale rights. Meet Rank and Rent, your ticket to passive income in 2025. In 2025, the old ways of making extra cash just won't cut it. You need a side hustle that's future-proof, scalable, and generates true passive income. Introducing Rank and Rent, the digital real estate strategy that's changing the game for entrepreneurs like you. Here's how it works. First, build a website targeting a specific niche and location. Next, optimize your site to reach the top of Google. Finally, lease your high-ranking website to local businesses hungry for leads. For small business owners, Rank and Rent helps dominate local search, provides cost-effective marketing, and allows them to focus on what they do best while your site brings in a steady stream of leads. And here's where Ashton James Digital Real Estate comes in. With our Rank and Rent course, you'll learn from the experts. This affordable investment pays for itself in just a month or two of renting out your first website. Imagine earning $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 or more per month per website. You'll master SEO, build a valuable skill set, and create your dream lifestyle with the freedom and flexibility of a high-income online business. Ready to become a digital landlord? Comment "I am interested" below, and we'll send you all the details about the Ashton James Digital Real Estate Rank and Rent course. Don't wait, your future is waiting.